Hey gamer! If your HyperX Cloud 2 wireless headset has broken side cable by some creature, today I'll show you how to fix it and save money instead of buying new headphones. To do this repair, you'll need to get a replacement cable with at least 9 wire cores. To perform this work, you'll also need to borrow a soldering iron, multimeter, and a few tools from your grandmother. Once you have the tools, start by removing the ear pad and foam filter. Unscrew the screws to access the headphones and open the headphone housing. Remove the ear cup from the metal frame. Unscrew the slider plastic part. As you disassemble it, remember how each part was positioned so you can easily put everything back together after the repair. Pull out the damaged cable slightly. Burn the fabric jacket. Cut off the damaged end of the cable and remove a small section of the outer jacket. Unscrew the board and remove it. Write down the sequence of the wires, which colors are soldered to the board. Remove any glue from the contacts that might interfere with soldering. Open the slider cover on the other side of the headphones so you can pull the new cable through. Tie the old cable to the new cable and secure both with heat-shrinking tubing. For safety, you can add electrical tape over them. Carefully pull out the old cable, hoping the new one comes through with it. Cut off the previously attached old cable. Cut off the old cable, burn the fabric sleeve, remove sleeve and place it on the new replacement cable. Thread the new cable through the slider plastic covers. Remove the ear pad and foam filter from the other side. Unscrew the headphone housing. Remove any glue from the wire contacts to avoid interference with soldering. Place the new cable into the ear cup housing. Remove the outer jacket of the new cable. Separate the wires by color. Tin the wires. This will make soldering easier and improve soldering quality. Now desolder the old wire and solder the new wire. Since the colors don't match, take notes on which old color is replaced by which new wire color. This is important because the wires on both ends must be replaced identically. This is how all the old wires need to be desoldered and the new wires soldered in place. Place electrical tape over the contacts. Then use super glue to secure the new cable in the ear cup housing. Next, assemble the ear cup, screwing it back together as it was before. Stretch the fabric sleeve and secure it with super glue. Assemble the slider mechanism again. If necessary, pull the excess cable length to the other side and screw everything back together. At this point, 50% of the repair is done. The same steps need to be followed on the other side to solder the wires. Take the fabric sleeve from the old cable on the other side and place it on the new replacement cable. Now assemble the slider again, securing the new cable in it. Place the cable back into the ear cup housing. Carefully remove the outer jacket from the cable without damaging the internal wires. Separate the wires by color. Tin all the wires to make soldering easier. Just like on the other side, desolder the old wires and solder the new ones. It's crucial that both sides of the wires are soldered identically. Otherwise, the headphones won't work or could even get damaged. Once all the wires are soldered, place electrical tape over the contacts to prevent short circuits. Screw the board back in place, secure the cable with superglue at the required length. It's better to secure the cable in several places for longer durability. Assemble the ear cup housing back together and screw it in. Reassemble the foam filters and ear pads. If you have trouble putting the ear pads back on, it's normal. Some people have even had to call the suicide hotline for help with this part. And here's the result. The headphones look like new. I'm happy, I saved money, and the planet was spared from new waste. The last step is to test headphones. Everything works for me, and I'm happy. If you found this helpful, as always, I'd appreciate any nice words and a like on the video. Good luck!